everybody, my name is Zahra Saleh and today I'm going to be painting a sunset with shadows of trees. I'm so excited actually, and I have my new canvas and my new stand, so yeah, this is gonna be a really exciting thing. And anyways, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I have this, which is a canvas which I just bought from Amazon. Same with the easel. Next we have these brushes which are actually from Dubai. I didn't get it here, so yeah. Okay, so now I have these. They're from Faber-Castell and I did get these from Amazon. Well, not today because they're already like used, and so yeah, I'll be using these acrylic colors. Then I have this one which I made by myself, just a palette which I'll be using to do the video. Here there's nothing special other than some water, so yeah. Whoops, I forgot to get my towel. Let me just go get that and then we'll start the video. So these are all the colors I'm using. Here we have some red, and you can use any color you want. It's not necessary you have to use this. And here we have some yellow, orange, and my orange is actually really messy. Black. I put some tape in the shape of a circle on the canvas, like on the middle, which is basically for the moon. And you can use white, but I just was lazy and I didn't really want to do that. So you can take the easel or the sort of hard route. Let's start painting. I'm gonna first use my red. Oh, and by the way, I got my towel here. Okay, great. And now I'm just going to dip it in my water. Ooh. Okay, and this is why I got my towel, so I can blot it. Okay. Okay, now let's start painting. As I said, first we're using the red. Okay, so now I'm going to paint this area which I missed. Ooh, it's falling down. Okay, there we go. Now there's not much white bits that I can see. Gotta blend this a bit. I like to take just a teensy bit of water to blend and then put it on my towel. Now the towel is super messed up. Well, not messed up, well, it's full of paint. Okay, I just like to put a bit of water on this blending. Okay, so now we're done with the sunset, and now I'm going to move on with the black bit, or like the floor, and then we're going to go with the trees. Okay, so yeah, I finished my sunset right here. And now we're going to do the trees and the floor. So I have some black over here and I'm using a different brush. It's a bit thinner. Okay, I have to take a bit of water. There's my cup. It's on my rack, which is good. Or towel, sorry. Okay, paint so I can paint here. La 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 do 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 la 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 la. Okay, I think that's enough black darkness. Look at this brush, like it's been through some stuff. It's dark. Okay, anyways, that's the finished thing, like the one. Okay, and I'm just gonna wash my brush real quick because it's really dark. Really dark. Okay, I'm off to wash my brush. So for the trees, I'm using a scale. I hope I don't seem like a loser to you, but I can't draw straight lines. Okay, so I'm so nervous about the trees. Spoiler alert, I have never drawn them. Never in my life. For this, I definitely need to squeeze some paint out. Get it out. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Please do not judge me. Ah! Okay, that didn't turn out that bad, did it? Exciting. Very, very exciting. Oh my god. This is my first time doing trees. Okay. Not that bad. Okay. Now, I'll just do it. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I guess I'm doing okay. You can't say I'm doing bad. Right? Yeah. I'm not doing bad. Ooh la la. Easy. I thought a tree would be like super hard, but I proved myself wrong. Oh no, why did I just ruined my tree? You know, it's okay. Who's okay with this thing? Okay, but now it's time to reveal. I just want to peel this with you. This part, so this, remember the tape? Can that? Okay, remove it. Ooh, yeah! Yeah, baby. Okay, this looks nice, this thing. It looks nice. I can just color that in and make this the sun. You know what? I'll save it for later. Can I put it on my cup? Okay, now I'm gonna draw some birds which are not that hard. Clearly. Dimension. Oh no. No. added something here. I'm just gonna dab it. Dab, very good. Okay, there we go. This is the finished product. We have a cute little tree, the beautiful sunset, the moon, which I love the texture of, and the birds, and yeah, and also my little scent on top of here. And I really like it. If you liked it, don't forget to click that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you next time.